Hey guys, you're welcome back on today's video. Right here on the screen, you are looking at the new Infinix Note 60 Pro. Please stick around to find out. On our last video, we talked about the Redmi Turbo 5 Max, but that is not why I'm here. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. The most interesting part about this device is the processor. Yes, you heard me right, not even that, it's featuring a bigger battery as well. So what do we get in the box of the Infinix Note 60 Pro? Typical unboxing experience. But then Infinix remains one of the brands that still give us wired earphones. Starting with what you get in the box, you get the smartphone itself, a SIM ejector tool, a 90-watt fast charger, followed by a USB Type-C cable. We get a transparent protective case with magnet, that is to say we still have wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. This is all we got in the box, all this for =500,000 naira. For the standard features, at the top we have the speaker and the IR blaster and a microphone. At the bottom we have the secondary speaker, a USB Type-C port, a microphone, and a SIM thread that accommodates 2 nano SIM card without no space of SD card slot. That is by the way. Another interesting part is that it supports IP64 dust and water resistance. That means it can easily survive water splashing on it from all angles. Wow, that is pretty good and easy. The front is built with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. To be honest with you guys, this phone will be able to survive scratches and drops. Why did I say so? Because Gorilla Glass are built to be strong. Even as that, I will still beg you to prevent accident as much as possible, because glass is glass. It can go up to 4500 nits of peak brightness. What that simply means is that under direct sunlight, you have no issue using this phone I'm seeing. Wow, what a new screen. For the single score and multi-score, this is the result. This is where the Infinix Note 60 Pro shines. Gaming on this device is a massive, everything runs pretty good smooth, powering a 6500 mAh battery. Not even that, Infinix included a vapor cooling chamber. That means even if you are stressing this phone on a heavy game, consuming content, you don't have to be worried about the temperature. It stays cool all the time. So to my conclusion, gaming on this device is a massive. So please, if you're enjoying this video and the effort I'm putting up when making this video, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's talk about other things. For the storage aspect, it features 8GB of RAM and 12GB of RAM with 256GB internal storage. The price is gonna depend on the variant you are going for. Speaking about the display, it is a 6.78 inches AMOLED display, supports 144Hz refresh rate. You can switch in between 120Hz refresh rate or 144Hz refresh rate. This phone comes with 3 colors, which is the Mist Titanium, Deep Ocean Blue, and Solar Orange. Weighing around 202 grams, isn't much heavy for the battery it packs inside, 6500 mAh battery. That means it can easily last a whole day for heavy users, up to 2 days for light users. Also supports 90-watt fast charging. At the right corner, we see the power button and the volume up and down rocker key. As for the down button, I thought it's for the camera control, but it's not. To be honest, it's actually a height measurement sensor. At the left corner, there is a one-tap button. They introduced this last year. It is a customizable button that you can use to open any app of your choice or perform certain tasks, like turning on the flashlight. That is pretty good, amazing. For the Android operating system, the Infinix Note 60 Pro is powering Android 16 on the box. As for the processor, it comes with Snapdragon 7S Gen 4. Happy to see this, a Snapdragon processor on Infinix. To be honest with you guys, Infinix normally build their phone with MediaTek. On my test, Snapdragon processors are meant to last more years more than the MediaTek processor. Well, that is by the way. Let's talk about the price. For the price, it goes around $350, which is equivalent to 499,983 naira for the 8GB of RAM and 256GB internal storage, which is the variant I'm holding. That means the 12GB RAM will cost a little bit higher. As for me, we are good to go for the price it offers. A bigger battery, yes, a bigger battery. Now let's talk about the camera. 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 13 megapixel selfie camera. These are some of the pictures taken with the 50 megapixel main camera. Let me know what you guys think down the comment section below. If you are enjoying this video and the effort I'm putting up when making this video, I will be happy if you use this opportunity to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video just like this one you're watching. If you are looking for a mid-range smartphone that can deliver you on whatever thing you want to do with it, I will recommend you to go for this phone. The 50 megapixel main camera, you can record video up to 4K 30 frames per second. You can also record video in 1080p resolution. For me, the camera are sharp and accurate for the price it offers. Well, that is by the way for today. Catch you guys on my next video. Peace out.